Hi teens, it's Jen with Polk County Public Libraries here with your Take and Make kit for the month of November. So go ahead and pick up your free kit at Columbus Library or Saluda Library. We are making gratitude journals this month, and don't forget to come to Teen Scene at Columbus Library on Wednesday, November 15th at 3:30. Okay, so this month's Teen Take and Make is a gratitude journal. Since it's Thanksgiving this month and we're thinking about things we're thankful for and things we're grateful for, I thought this would be a cool craft to do in November. There are lots of benefits to keeping a gratitude journal. It makes us pay attention to the good things in our life, and there's been studies about keeping gratitude journals. It boosts your well-being, your mental, emotional, and even physical health. It can reduce your stress. So there's lots of reasons to start a gratitude journal, and why not go ahead and start now? So pick up your free kit. It has this small journal in it. It has a cool new pen, and then it has this little kind of template you can use if you like. And if you want to write in it every day, you can put affirmations, you can put things you are grateful for, you can put 3 good things that happened, your favorite moment of the day. So that's just for you to use as inspiration. If you want to look online and Google gratitude journal templates, you can get lots of ideas online. Also, I want to encourage you to decorate your journal. If you have stickers or washi tape or glitter, paint, markers, or anything at home, you can decorate that with. That will just make it a little more fun and creative. And then keep your gratitude journal every day, and we hope that that brings you some joy and happiness. Have a great November.